Hi everyone. Today, I will let you know how to become a Microsoft Innovative Educator Expert, MIEE. If you'd like to connect with a global, professional learning community of other educators just like yourself who are constantly pushing the boundaries of what a classroom looks and feels like, you've got the right way. We would love to have you as a part of our Microsoft Innovative Expert community. Microsoft supports a thriving community of passionate educators who are constantly learning, growing and working together to change students' lives and build a better world. The Microsoft Innovative Educator, MIEE, Expert Program is a premier program created to recognize global educator visionaries like yourself. We are looking for self-driven educators who are passionate about teaching and learning, who inspire students with creative thinking, and work in a truly collaborative spirit to share their learning with the world. MIEE experts share their learning with colleagues and other educators through local training programs in their own school systems, presentations at conferences, blogs, social channels, and more. Resourceful and entrepreneurial, they relish the role of change agent and work to achieve excellence in education using Microsoft technologies coupled with their innovative teaching practices. There are several benefits for the Microsoft Innovative Educator, MIEE, Expert Program. Receive publicity and promotion via social media and other Microsoft channels. Professional and career development opportunities and certifications. Share their expertise with world-renowned educators and specialists to scale their innovations. Present in Microsoft's Global EduCast webinar series. Participate in focus groups giving feedback to a development teams on Microsoft products. Join invitation-only special events from Microsoft. Share their passion for Microsoft with peers and policymakers, and through social media, blogs and videos. Test out new products while in beta form. Represent Microsoft through product demonstrations and by attending events. Build educator capacity in your community, school, district, or at training events, by training and coaching colleagues and inviting them to join the online Microsoft Educator community. Collaborate with innovative educators across the globe using Teams and other tools in the classroom. Host regional events showcasing uses of Microsoft technology in the classroom. Achieve eligibility to attend the Microsoft Global Educator Exchange events. This is how to join the program. The step number 1 for MIEE self-nomination is as follows. Be sure that you have joined the Microsoft Educator Center and completed your profile. You will need to download your transcript, put it in a location in which you can share it, then create and share a URL to your transcript as a part of the nomination process. You can find your transcript by going into your profile on Microsoft Educator Center. For MIEE self-nomination, the step number 2 is the following. Ensure that you have successfully passed 2 hours of courses on the Microsoft Educator community and earned your certified MIEE. Alternatively, you have attended at least 2 hours of professional development by an MIEE trainer and redeemed the provided achievement code in MEC. You must be a certified MIEE to become or stay an MIEE expert. Here is the step number 3 for the self-nomination. To prepare for the self-nominations, you will want to start collecting evidence and working through the prepared questions to plan your nomination. I've included the link to these questions in the description. MIEE experts are expected to use at least 2 of our core tools on a regular basis: Teams, OneNote, Forms, Minecraft, Flipgrid, and are expected to understand and demonstrate how our suite of solutions supports teaching and learning. Once you have planned out your responses, nominate yourself here between November 15th and December 15th. The following explains the role of an MIEE expert in details. Microsoft Innovative Educator Experts have adopted 21st century teaching and learning, take risks, and strive to improve their pedagogy to integrate technology tools that improve student outcomes. They model that failure is an opportunity to reflect and learn as well as resiliency. They see the MIEE expert community as a valuable professional learning community that helps them continue to improve their own practice. They are seen as a leader in their school and school system. They provide coaching/mentoring to other teachers and support their growth. They partner with principals and school leaders in whole school/system transformation. They are comfortable presenting in front of other educators/leaders and sharing their stories of growth and learning. They look for ways to give back to the teaching profession. MIE experts get back what they put into the program. Microsoft Innovative Educator Experts will be selected by the regional Microsoft representative based on the quality of the responses to the self-nomination form, the level of innovation and use of Microsoft tools described in the learning activity, and the level of detail in how becoming a part of the program will impact both teaching and student learning. MIEs will be next publicly announced in a blog at the end of August 2022.
Hello, I am Thiago, Technology Education Expert at Microsoft Consumer.
The Microsoft tools give us support for our strategies and methods of learning that promote the development of 21st century skills. Having access to resources that are available because we are a showcase school and exchanging experience with other school and MIE experts have put us in the path to transform education.
Hi, my name is Beatriz. I am an English teacher from Microsoft Consumer. I am MIE expert and I have MCE certification. I have been using Microsoft tools in my class a lot. Since our IT started showing us the Microsoft tools, I have used them for regular classes, practicing classes, and evaluation as well. In one of these regular classes, we were learning about environment and we read a text written by Mia Marshall, a New Zealand activist, and we got interested in meeting her. So I arranged a meeting using Teams with 19 students talking to a 16-year-old activist. It was amazing. Another tool that I use is Kahoot. It's a tool designed to play a game, practicing grammar points, and I can correct them and they have lots of fun. The students love it. Flipgrid is something that I am in love since 2020. To evaluate is a difficult thing to do, and speaking or oral evaluation can be a terrifying experience for the student. So since 2020, I have started using Flipgrid as a way to evaluate my students. And they can do it at home. It's very comfortable and they can get some help from their parents and family.
Hi, I'm Magali. I'm the English coordinator at Marista Criciúma. The pandemics brought us improbable and multiple scenarios, but with our internal structure and our Microsoft tools, we could easily and quickly change to online classes. Families and students were very satisfied with our immediate actions, making us obtain a 10% growth on our number of scholars, surpassing 1,500 students. We hope that our partnership with Microsoft keeps making us grow from the proximity and involvement of parents, teachers, and students. In this new normal, we dream that educators act with ease on this digital territory, developing abilities and skills in a meaningful way, impacting the life projects of our
Hello, my name is Paige Johnson, the Vice President of Education Marketing at Microsoft, and I am so excited to be here with you today. I'm a recovering biology teacher by background and training, and I have some idea about how challenging your year has been. We are so impressed to have you be part of our community. This is part of why I'm passionate about education and why I'm really excited about everything that Microsoft has to offer. It's an incredible accomplishment to have become a member of our MIE expert and showcase school communities, especially this year when the requirements were more rigorous than ever before. I want to congratulate all of you on this accomplishment. MIE experts and school leaders are becoming more sophisticated in the way they think about technology and learning. You have really stepped up to expand your impact on students and schools. I've heard so many amazing stories about how each of you went above and beyond to help schools, educators, and students around the world. I'm humbled by the leadership and compassion you've all shown. and so proud that you've chosen to join this community. The MIEE Expert and Showcase School community has provided the opportunity for change makers like you to collaborate, connect, and support each other. These global communities are a model example of how technology is connecting all of us. Many of you have shared your best practices at various EDU days across the world, and we want to keep hearing your stories. In the meantime, while we wait for the world to reopen, we can connect on social. You can find me on Twitter at Paige Johnson K12 or connect with me on LinkedIn. And if you're not already following our Microsoft account on Twitter, go follow us at Microsoft EDU right away. Don't forget to add hashtag Microsoft EDU to any post you'd like us to see and amplify. Did you know that we're now on TikTok? We just rolled that out recently and the reception has been incredible so far. We have so many fun campaigns and they're already getting a lot of engagement. If you're not already following us, make sure to connect at Microsoft EDU on TikTok so you don't miss a thing. We're really looking forward to the exciting events coming up, such as BET and ISTE and EduDays around the world. We know that some of these are likely going to be virtual, but some will be in person. I can't wait for those, and we hope you'll join us for all of them. We're extremely grateful to have such amazing educators and school leaders giving us feedback on our products, sharing your knowledge and excitement with your colleagues, and providing amazing educational opportunities to all your students. This world needs you more than ever before. I've heard so much about you and the incredible work you do, and I'm thrilled to be collaborating with you. I can't wait to meet many of you in person when the world reopens. Thanks so much and have a terrific school year.